Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jose Cornejo and I'm with JDM Astar, and I'm very excited to announce the giveaway winner today. On our last video we did an installation of the 3020 LEDs on my own personal car. It was a 2005 Toyota Prius. We used the 7440 or 7443 3020 bulbs. And as promised, we're going to be announcing the giveaway today. Now, just to kind of recap some of the videos we've done in the past, we've shown you how to install the 4S series headlights. We did a color comparison on the films, and then of course my very own car, we've installed these backup lights. So we want to hear feedback from you guys. What would you guys like to see next? Would you guys like us to acquire a vehicle from a follower or a JDM supporter? Maybe we can install it to their car, make it a little interesting. Who knows? We want to hear your feedback. Leave us a comment below on what you would like to see next. So without further ado, let's get started on this giveaway. Alright guys, so like the last contest, we're going with the more traditional approach on this giveaway. We're just going to be doing a drawing. We went ahead and took all your comments and your names, and we went ahead and printed them out. And I cut them up, threw them inside the trusty giveaway box, and that's how we're going to pick the winners. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, let's get that trusty giveaway box and pick the winner. Alright, so let's go mix this up. Alrighty. Okay, congratulations to Bronco Ram Fan, owner of a 2007 Nissan Versa. Looks like your car runs 1156 LEDs, so these bulbs are available for you. So congratulations again. Thank you guys so much for joining that giveaway. Big thanks to Bronco and shout out to you. Hit us up to claim your backup lights. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. We want to say thank you to everybody that supported the giveaway and watched our videos. And if you guys found this video very helpful, please subscribe to the channel to help support it. Smash that like button so that way it helps and gets to other viewers that are looking to get some help, of course. If you guys ever have any questions, you can reach out to us, leave us a comment as well, and we'll see you guys next week.